At Profoto, we pride ourselves on products that are both robust and easy to use. With the Profoto Connect, we've taken ease of use to a whole new level. With the button-free design of the Connect, getting from start to finish is as easy as turning a dial. To use the Profoto Connect, simply slide the trigger onto a compatible camera and set it to auto. Your camera will automatically set the power of your flash based off your selected settings. If you want to offset the power of the flash, you can either adjust the camera's flash exposure compensation or the compensation in the Profoto app. To lock your last power setting into place, just twist the Connect to manual mode. If you want to make any output adjustments, you can adjust the power from the flash itself or remotely from the Profoto app. Thanks to its button-free design, using the Profoto Connect is both fun and easy.